I saw you go on Khago.
That's true.
Enough of them can do this. Your music in your DNA. Music in your blood.
Glory, glory.
Show them thing in front of them. Enough of them can make a blowout, a verse.
Show them how music work.
Show them how music work. If you see me laugh, don't cry. No. Love is the spark we need to see. That's how your love's gonna be.
You pray?
Time to set your consciences free. Do some good for the music fraternity. And don't try, come taste me.
You're dead?
Play those. You see this song is an original song. Original rhythm came from my heart. I made it sing. And the man who don't know this song, this man listen to songs Cry People and him answer me back. I hear him say, Lord, either you're in or you're out, or you know what you are all about. Be bold and strong. Tell yourself you're not doing no wrong. Once you're in, you gotta face it. Make your mind up, son, and take it, because warriors don't cry.
Victory!
I know lots of folks who hate you, and not because they want to, but sometimes they don't even know why.
But you're chosen.
So don't watch the crowd. Your duty is too loud. Believe in what you're doing and be proud.
Be very proud.
Hey. Cause when you lost along the way, people will have lots to say, and they don't even care if you make it through that day. Either you're in or you're out.
Would you pull that for me?
You know what? Pull up.
Would you pull that for me?
I hear me, Khago. It's the messages I love in songs, you know. I don't really matter who do it. I love the messages. And the same when me hear the I said, them youth, get it. You hear me? I said, them get it. Them overstand, because a lot of ones don't overstand the music and how how your personal connection or your view, where you feel and everything to the people. So me I say in the realest way.
Me can tell you something in the realest way.
How is this? Oh my God. I want all the leaders still.
What the festival them there?
Them now keep it real.
What the stage show them there?
Them not deal with no real. Treating the people like a piece of tissue. Them not deal with no real issue.
We are the festivals, we are the stage shows,
Like a piece of tissue.
we are the events.
Them not deal with
the real issue.
Promoters, event planners,
Treating
what's
our
good?
people like a piece of tissue, yeah. Them not deal with the real issue.
Who's the reggae dead? Reggae never
Misleading
dead.
our people down Poverty Avenue.
Reggae can't dead.
man.
Play to make it right. Cardonians like and share. You there? Come on. Sing it.
Them know.
Leader no follow. real issue.
Treating my
Treating my people like a piece of tissue. Oh,
them not deal with no
real issue. Misleading my people down poverty avenue. Brothers and sisters are crying, feeling the pain.
Top